Hey guys, Dave the Watchman here coming at you with another watch review video. Before I get started, I just wanted to say thank you so much to all my current subscribers. You guys got me over 350 right now. I'm at 351 subscribers and I could not be happier about it. Thank you guys so much for all your support, liking and commenting and subscribing. It really does help out. So haven't already subscribed, please make sure you do head on over, give that thumbs up, like, and subscribe if you want to see more watch videos, because I am Dave the Watchman. I review budget-friendly watches for the everyman because I don't believe that you should have to spend a fortune to look like you have a fortune. So let's get into this watch review video today. Today I've got something a little bit different. Um, I always enjoy when I get a comment from a subscriber that says that they saw one of my reviews and they decided to buy a watch. Well, today I got something a little bit different. I actually got this watch in the other day and I did a review on it, and I said I didn't really care for it on first impressions. I did not like it. And after watching my own reviews and doing these reviews and watching my own reviews on this watch, I actually decided that I want to keep it now. So I actually I kind of sold the watch to myself. I was not initially impressed by it. I thought it looked pretty basic when I first got it, and I looked at it and I said, well, it's kind of basic. It's got those regular numbers, just a basic looking pilot's watch. But guys, the thing is so incredibly specced out for the price. There's no way you can even argue with it. And then I started to do the reviews on it, and I was like, wow, it does kind of look like a beautiful, it's a really sharp looking watch. So upon further review, I've actually decided that I want to keep this thing. It is, it's a Flieger styled homage of the IWC Mark 20 pilot's watch. It's made by Addiesdive. It's the MYH2 by Addiesdive. But guys, it's under $100 and you get like a $200 value on this watch. I mean, this thing should be over 200 bucks based on the specs alone. It's got a solid link bracelet. It's got 200 meters of water resistance, which the IWC watch does. The version only has 100, and you're talking about $5,500 for that watch. It's a beautiful watch. I mean, this is not claiming to be that watch, but guys, it's very, very similar. It's a very, very close rendition of that watch. I mean, it's very beautiful. The C3 lume on this thing is amazing at night. I mean, this thing is sharp. It is very, very bright at night. Very nice. And to top it all off, I mean, the specs that you get with this watch, you get a anti-reflective crystal, sapphire crystal, and you also get the Seiko NH35 date window movement. You can't beat those specs for under 100 bucks. I mean, I will post a link to this, the Amazon link to this in the description below, so you guys can actually go over and pick one of these up. It's got the sweeping second hand, very, very bright, sharp lume. It's got that matte black dial on it that's just so understated that you'd almost want to hate it when you first look at it, but then it just grows on you. It just grows on you. It's a beautiful, beautiful watch. And, I sized it and I put it on and I was like, I thought maybe it was a little too small because I'm used to all these big watches, and it's not as big as, some of the other watches that I have in my collection. But guys, I put it on. I tried it on a couple of times after I had done the first video, and then I did a quick 1 minute review on it. And during that quick 1 minute review, I was like, what, am I crazy? I'm not going to return this thing. This is a beautiful watch. I'm keeping it. This is going right in my collection. I just can't return it. After seeing my own reviews on it, I can't return it, which is funny because it took a little bit for this thing to grow on me. Because, like I said, I mean, I'm more of the bigger screened, the bigger faced watches for the most part. I mean, this is kind of a smaller watch, but then I looked at it and I was like, well, guys, it's not any smaller than this well, I mean, it's a little bit smaller than the Submariner, but it's really not any smaller than any one of these Olev's watches, or even this Patek Philippe Homage. It's about the same size. So I decided to give it a shot, and I wore it for about a day, and I was like, man, this is a nice watch. I mean, the quality alone is what'll sell you on this watch. The quality, and just knowing how little you actually paid for what you actually got for that money is enough to make you want to keep this thing. So I will not be returning this. I thought I might return it, but I'm not going to. I'm actually kind of really liking this watch. It's grown on me. The only thing I wish they would have done was I wish they would have put a different bracelet on it, because I think this Addiesdive bracelet is a lot nicer. It's also got the signed clasp, and the milled clasp as well. So I think this watch would have gone nicer on this Addiesdive bracelet. But all in all, it's still a very nice braided brushed nickel bracelet with the oyster clasp. The security clasp. It's just a nice watch all around. So I've decided I'm actually going to keep it, and add it to my collection. But I initially did not like it. So guys, this is what happens when you watch review videos, whether they're somebody else's review videos or even your own. Sometimes you need to take a better look at things, and sometimes you do when you see these videos. So that's what I do. I post watch review videos. So in case you guys are on the fence about any of these watches and you're thinking about buying one, hopefully my review can point you in the right direction and steer you away from some of the really bad junk watches that are out there. I review budget-friendly watches for the everyman, so you very seldom see a watch over $100 on this channel, and you very rarely will see something over the $200 or $300 range. Although I do have a Seiko GMT coming in next week, so you'll want to pay attention if you like the Seiko watches. I will be doing a review on a Seiko GMT watch in the $350 range. But anyhow, if you do like these videos and you want to see more of them coming your way, please make sure you give that thumbs up, like, and subscribe if you want to see more watches and watch review videos. I am Dave the Watchman. I review budget-friendly watches for the everyman, because I don't believe that you should have to spend a fortune to look like you have a fortune. And until next time, me and my buddy Shrody will see you in the next watch review video. Have a great day.